Remine Mobile, your Miami MLS mobile solution. Creating an auto email in Remine is easy. On the map, you go ahead and select the area or the search of your interest. Then you go ahead and click on the Save square on the top right. Once you've selected Save, you go ahead and name the search. Then select on the frequency, which allows you to select from ASAP, daily, weekly. You may also select to add a contact. Select by typing in your contact. Click Done, and you may add yourself to the email. It's that easy. Join your Miami trainers for a Remine Mobile class. Thank you for being Miami members.